What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Doing a recap of today's trading session. Only 2 trades for me. I know some of you got chopped up today, so hopefully this helps. First thing I want to do is show you our new automated key level and VWAP indicator is available now. You guys can all grab this with the link. It's pinned in the tweet down below, or it's here in the description on YouTube. I definitely want you guys to check this out. You'll get automated high of day, low of day. As the high of day and low of day move, it changes. You get automated start of day, New York VWAP, previous day, New York VWAP. You get all-time high, start of month, start of year, all of that automated, plus the opening range and initial balance key levels, all automated on the chart for you, all in one place, thanks to Lux Algo. So definitely check this out if you haven't already. That's the indicator you're going to see used here on my chart in these examples. So now let's get into the first trade today. This is the setup. I've been talking to you about it over and over again. If you're not listening, you're just costing yourself money. Today, it worked really well. We used the edge full stats, 2 of them, to feed this trade. One was the gap fill. The gap fill shows us at 4 o'clock where we close the US stock market. That gap was filled here with this pin. That pin comes on the USD news at 9:45. After that pin fills the gap, we know there's a 67% chance of that today. And we talked about that on my stream this morning. Then we also know there's a 70% chance that we double break the opening range. So the gap fill and the opening range stats are the 2 that we use today. Once the pin filled the gap, we then had a close outside the opening range low here. That tells me that we should move and break the opening range high, which is set within the first 15 minutes. Again, all these indicators are automated for you. The 15-minute opening range and the New York VWAP is all automated if you use the indicator that we just dropped. So this was the position. I put basically a 12-point stop in on this, looking for a pop out of the opening range to the upside. I did not take profit on the first break here because I felt like we were making clean higher lows, and I was looking for the 81.82, 57.81, 57.82 price level, and that worked really nicely, put me up about $1,000 across 5 XFAs. So one trade, $200 in each, very low risk on this trade, and we make $1,000. Then I come back this afternoon on my instant funded account, thanks to Tradeify, and I take this trade and make about $340 on this. This is a long off of the previous day New York VWAP, so similar idea, buying it low in a range-bound day, and I took profits, as you can see, full right at the New York VWAP, which is basically where it sat the rest of the day. So I worked 57.63 on the second trade, and I worked 57.73 on the first trade. And this often, if we have a rangy day, this often is the question I ask myself. If I like the 73s, shouldn't I like the 63s? Unless we're selling off. And as you can see, for that second trade, when we got the 63s for the buy price, it worked really, really well. That sniper entry right off that previous day New York VWAP held off really nicely for me. And this was the way I saw this morning. I like to do these snapshots of the day. The big note here is down in the bottom. Opening range is 9 points, so tighter than usual stops today and a little bit bigger size. That's the note to take away from. So you can have that initial long that we took here on stream. That was the win everybody caught with me. And I think that's a better long than buying this breakout candle here. I think if you're going to buy this retest of New York VWAP here with that structure in the middle, you want to have a 6.5 point stop or so here. And that gives you 1R to the upside. Same thing on this one. I think you use structure as the stop and you scalp that for 6 points. So it was really like you either caught the morning long here. I don't know if you really make any money buying this, but you could buy 75s here, take them to 82, buy 75s here, take them to 82. And then the afternoon move was to buy the 63 and buy that off previous day New York VWAP, as it now has like fizzled basically into the close here. And you can see finishing the day at 75. So not really missing much from my exit. So I think today, I managed it really well. Could have made more money. Definitely could have lost money. But a P&L of $1,300 today across 5 XFAs with Top Step and 1 instant funded account with Tradeify, it's pretty good. And as you can see, the month, if I go like this, month is looking good. There's your monthly calendar snapshot. Month is at equity highs here as of today. So that's good. Looks like we'll be able to finish this month strong if we can have a good week this week. So if you're not using the Lux Algo indicator, make sure you guys check this out. There's links in my bio, link down below, wherever you're watching this, check that out. And I'll see you tomorrow on stream. I'm covering for Evan, 9:25 at Market Open, only on ASFX TV.